Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add shake effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do that is pretty simple. So here we have our two clips that we want to add their shake effect onto. So we just go to our effects tab right here, search up shake, and then grab your camera shake, drag it over to the clip that you want to apply it to. From there, just go to inspector. So from there, just select the clip right here, or the effect I mean. So here you have your video. So you want your duration and frames, you can set right here. Your alignment, if you want to do so just one side or both clips, and you can even have your control effects. So here you want your shake speed if you want it just smooth or so, or you want your shake strength just to be minimal. You want to add motion blur, and you can adjust the shutter angle, center bias, and many much more. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.